Time to change our air filter for the Golf R, guys. What we're going to be doing is we are going to take off the old one, and then we will keep it for now, because ultimately once we clean the new one, we will temporarily use the old one once it's cleaned to be able to, allow the other one to dry up in the process, so that way you can flip-flop between the two. Don't ever throw your old one, because then you could use it to flip-flop if you need to, in that sense. So here's our new filter basically here from Amazon, and I'll show you what I have here. All right, let me get my knife and actually cut this off and show you what I have inside. All right. There you go. There it is, guys. We got our K&N air filter replacement. Looking beautiful. Nice and clean. Wait till you see the old one. See how filthy it is. I don't drive this car so much, and I don't drive it in the wintertime, so I haven't actually replaced this thing. I've been basically cleaning it up and you're reusing it basically in the process. But this time it's about time to change it. It's getting too dark, and it's no longer red. It's almost like black now. So anyways, let's just replace it. Here's our old one, guys. As you can see, it's fairly dark, fairly dusty. So time to take it out and put the new one in. I usually clean this every summer, before I take the car out. But obviously I've driven this car a lot this year, and it's gotten so dusty. So time to pretty much replace it with a brand new one here. The beauty thing with this is that it does come with a jester, kind of an O-ring thing. I think we just have to take the whole thing out because we don't need that. This should fit. Oh, not quite. So probably use the second level there. Just take this other one here. Let me just put this down a bit. You gotta get this inner ring out, and that should fit. Yes, there you go. Then we put this inside here. That should lock in there by itself. We got a new clamp in place. And voila. Looks really nice. Just gotta align it properly so it looks nice, and then we can what I'll do is I'll probably just position this guy first as a guide, because it's a lot easier to see, so we know how flush it is basically here. There we go, nice and flush. The beauty thing is that it has a groove in here, so that way the pipe itself will stop right on the groove, the inner groove here, as you guys can see. So that way you can fit this in first all the way, and then you can put the whole thing in, making sure that our chrome portion here is nice and clean later on, and K&N showing nicely there. There we go. Oh, of course we need the clamp. There we go. nicely fitted. Making sure we're straight, that we don't hit the sides in the process. So we might have to adjust this a little bit. Not exactly bang on, but so what I'm going to do is I'm going to readjust this a little bit to make sure that it does kind of fit properly and straight. I think I need to undo that side to kind of position the pipe a little bit in the center here, because I just wanted to make sure it doesn't hit R. Yeah, let me see if I can reposition it. Nice. Looking good. Let's just tighten more just to make sure. There we go. Nice and tight. All done.